Welcome to Vridhi Finance. We are presenting the analysis report of share target which we have given you on 22nd November 2021, and that target for all shares which are listed during 2021 till November itself, and that target was valid till Jan 2022. So here the report which we are going to present it, where many shares has achieved the lower margin target and few of the top share has already performed and given the both the target has been achieved by them. So we will come up by the end of this month with another report once other target has been completed by the shares. Means till Jan 31st all the targets are valid. You can check our previous video which we will give it to you in descriptions link, where we have shared the targets and accordingly that has been achieved at the minimum margin or maximum margin itself. So either that share has the pick of the Sensex, or either that share has gone down and down. So in that case, that was given by us on 22nd of November. You can see our video link and you will come across that these are mainboard shares which are listed in Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Dear investors and viewers, we are uploading this video at the midnight because the discrepancy of interruption of internet issues. Okay, apart from that, nowadays there is lot of internet uh, uh, a lot of internet packages has been synchronized. It means they have been minimized the daily given packages or per day data. So that's the reason we are not getting chance to upload the video which is the biggest one, because this is one of the big video which will have a lot of not graphic but at least having a voice. So that's the reason we are unable to upload it. Henceforth we are doing in the midnight. Anyways, you are in the midnight of the dream. Trust us, the person who's doing or who's dealing with the shares have always anxiety. They don't sleep. Anyways, who's not sleep, watch it our video at the midnight even. It's not midnight, actually it's early in the morning in India. Anyways, we are going to very soonly come with the crypto blush which we have promised you. Apart from that, we will upload, yes, absolutely, we will start and pile up a lot of projects. So wait and watch. We are promising you since the August, but we have not started yet, and absolutely this month we will take it into the actions so you can enjoy our YouTube channel in the both ways, crypto blush as well as Vridhi finance. Vridhi finance is a mainstream only for IPOs, GMP analysis, IPO details, and guess what? Guess new we are going to write. Because many of the viewers or investors is interested into many shares. They think they are multi-bagger shares. So very soonly we will come up with the few of the shares. Hopefully those analysis will come true, because there is a lot of companies into the stock exchange, more than 3000 hopefully. So we will watch it and accordingly we will make the video. Dear investors and viewers, many people think that splitting a share is profitable. Do you think it is profitable? Let us know in the comment box. We will make some videos if you are interested in that. Dear viewers, in case of we have given a lot of targets on 22nd of November. In that case, Barbecue Nation has achieved our minimum target, that is 1204.40 paisa, that is INR, on 27 December 2021. Dear investors and viewers, we have given you the target. Probably it not showing in this chart analysis 5 rupees or 10 rupees down. Maximum we have considered 12 rupees is discrepancies, because see, many of the securities or the e-broking houses already taking that kind of prices, and we can't deny that. Okay, so here we, whatever in this chart is able to find by us, we are putting over here. You, if we, and this chart, if you see in this chart, everywhere is NSE written. If you check the BSE chart, it will be have a little amount of discrepancies between values. Sometimes Bombay Stock Exchange give more or less value than National Stock Exchange. Sometimes it gives a more amount of money than NSE. BSE giving more money than NSE, around 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Yeah, maximum sometimes 50 rupees also. Anyways, we are not going to talk about it. Otherwise, somebody comes from the stock exchange to us. But there is a little bit discrepancies in between both the stocks. Okay, so here we are considering only NSE because it is a stable one and it gives perfectly an around analysis report. So here we have considered NSE. You can see the NSE logo over here, and in that case you can see it. Barbecue Nation Hospitality touched 1200 and 4.40. Might be BSE has given around 1200, something like that. That is your choice to check out over that. Dear investors and viewers, Sona BLW Precision has given 696.10 INR on 22nd December. So where probably we have given 700 around that target, and it has touched below 4 rupees. So you can check out with that and let us know in the comment box. Yes, for that purpose you have to see our another video where we have mentioned the target detail for Sona BLW Precision Forging Limited. Dear investor, dear viewers, if you say Indian Railway Finance, yes, absolutely. This is one of the share which is might be liked by people or not. We are not aware. Anyways, here we have a discrepancy over here in this share, and that is 50 paisa. Okay, that is 0.50. Because dear investors and viewers, if we are not considering 0.50, means like, yeah, 0.50 literally matter for a Indian Railway Finance Corporation, because the share is like SIP kind of thing. Anyways, if you wanted to do SIP in the share, it will be profitable for all of you because they gives the dividend, guys. So wait and watch. Dear viewers, if you see Shah Metallic, the share Shah Metallic Energy and Energy Limited also touched 308.75, where we have given probably 300 was minimum target. And yes, absolutely, on 20 December it has touched 308.75 INR. So Shah Metallic has touched this much only. Dear viewers, if you see Indigo Paints has Paint Limited, we have given 1900 minimum INR target, where it has 900 or 1914 rupees 0.15 paisa was above. It's around 14 rupees we have given extra because below that it hasn't touched it. But if you say Indigo Paint has touched already 1900. So anyways, you can check out with that. 1914.15 INR was there because in the chart it is shown by Indigo Paint. So viewers, suppose there is little bit discrepancy, as we say, because everything based on a stat. We are not from any securities, we are not from the management who decided the share prices. This is just all about analysis which we give 1 month, 2 months back, and there is we randomly selected the figures. Okay, there is nothing like that. We just select some figure and say, yeah, around that it will work, and many times it works. Now we can see, yeah, sometimes we fail also. Dear viewers, if you see Devyani International, where we have given 130 was minimum target and maximum 186 something. So here 139 means 9 rupees above we have up over here on 29th of November. Yes, we have given on 22nd November the targets, and on 29th of November Devyani International has touched 139, means 9 rupees was difference. No, yeah, 139. And then again we have given somewhere 180 rupees was maximum target for Devyani International, which has been achieved by them in the month of Jan itself. Probably it will give more till the end of the Jan, so you can have a look around that. And we have achieved the target for Devyani International Limited. If you see the card rate Tech Limited, where we have achieved 800 target. Yeah, 7 rupees point 85 paisa is our discrepancy, because 807.85 is the they have picked up the low in card rate tech. So minimum INR has been achieved by them. So if you are interested, you can invest in this kind of shares which already at working on the lower circuit. Dear viewers, if you see Tattva Chintan Pharma came, we are really unhappy in the past video, but in fact this video shows that our criticism, probably we can say, towards few of the share has not true. Tattva Chintan has really did it well. As we see the graph, our minimum target we have given 2338. So here probably our target was 2300, 330 was somewhere, I think so. Or it has 2350 something. Yeah, probably I made a mistake over here something. So you can check out anyways our another video about Tattva Chintan. But yes, Tattva Chintan has if I click this picture, it means that this is achieved the target somewhere. So it's probably to 2300. The discrepancy is 38 rupees something. Yes, probably. You can check out with that. Dear investors and viewers, if you see the Zomato Limited, yes, this share also again we have predicted it will touch 130. And if you see on the 7th Jan, it has touched 129.20 INR. It means Zomato Limited also given target has pick up at lower circuit. Dear viewers, if you see GR Infra Project, this is our another share where we have criticized it this share. But the reality, this share also picked up our lower circuit, where we have given somewhere 1700 was minimum target, and it has achieved 1695.65 INR. Dear investors and viewers, somewhere we are also doing a mistake nowadays, so you also cross check while watching our previous video. And hopefully GR Infra projects will achieve by the end of the month 2100 target. Hopefully we are expecting, because right now this share has showing 1904. So the volatility we will see by end of 31st January 2022, guys. Dear viewers, if you see Harinba Industries Limited, here you will see we have given the target somewhere 632 has been achieved it. Probably it's a 640 somewhere or 600. So 32 rupees might be difference. No, but actually it has been somewhere 630. Means 2 rupees was a gap. Yeah, it is 2 rupees gap in between. We are sorry, you can cross check with our previous video, then you will know it, where we have given perfect target. Yeah, there are 2 to 3 share where we given a lot of evaluation also. Means like the share target which we have given is the below IPO pricing, and somewhere we have given a too much high pick. So probably on the 31st Jan it may not achieve date also. in advance we are telling you, so you can hold it till the February or till the March even. Okay, because if you are not achieving that amount of target, you should hold it for few days, because I confess that I have given you more evaluation. If any shares is there, like MTAR, this month we have means quarterly target, we have given a lot to them. Probably it may not achieved by them within 31st Jan, because that share has having some kind of stability and volatility. Hopefully we will see it. JV versus FUC Sapphire Food. Yes, it has been achieved both the target. Somewhere we have given it is 1000 probably. The share will goes down below 1000 and it has gone down up to 992 on 22nd of November or 20, yeah, nearby in between that, around those days. So if you see, we have given 1300 was our maximum target for Sapphire Food India Limited, and it has been achieved. Today's the share price is 1365 INR only. So we have achieved both the target. Recently I just came across, this is a joke or what, many people come back to me and ask me why Paytm shares is going down, down, down. Anyways, over here in the Paytm share, we are going to tell you the day on 22nd November, we expect that the share goes around 1600, but that share has gone 1798 rupees 0.75 paisa INR on 25th November. Since that share is falling today, so it has given more than 81 rupees somewhere. And if you see, the share has gone down, and today the share price is around 1081, where we have given our minimum target for 197 communication, that is Paytm 1000 rupees only. So we have given advance that we are going to achieve this share target. Hopefully, means Paytm also in our coverage. Right now we are giving this advance because there is a discrepancy between the higher end price and the lower end price also. So that's the reason we have considered the share. We have achieved the both the target, because we have considered somewhere 1600 or 1700, but it has touched 81 rupees above. Now it is going down, so probably this will achieve 1000 rupees also. So we will wait and watch it. Paytm shares, so you can watch, because we have considered 22nd November onward till today. Okay, we are not uploading this video on 31st Jan itself, so probably it may achieve it. Guys, wait and watch about the Paytm too. So probably our stat really work hard in case of Paytm. That is even also surprising us. Dear viewers, if you see PB Fintech, yes, we have given somewhere the share has minimum 900. Today this share has working on 872, where in the past we have considered the share will touch up to somewhere around 1200 something. We have given a volatility in the share and it has been achieved it. So if you see the November chart till the today, about the policy bazaar, both targets has been completed. So you can check out our previous video, which we have given a link in description for PB Fintech policy bazaar. Guys, everybody say Nika, the world Nika, and FSN E-commerce Venture Limited is the real name of that company. So Nika is the brand name of this company. They have owned this brand. And yes, absolutely, in this case also we have achieved on the 1st December, the price of share was 2493.10 paisa, that is that much INR, 22,493.10 INR on the 1st December, when we have given somewhere 2400 was our, or 2300 was our upper tier circuit was there, and the lower circuit where we have expected somewhere 2000 or something like that. So now if you see, FSN e-commerce has completed both the target for Nika, where people has asked us many times, should they buy it on 2400 price? So it's time to buy the Nika. If you wanted to buy it, you should buy it when there is a lower circuit. Means any common investor who wanted to save money. Yeah, there are the people who invested into the share to find the dividend. But trust us, if you invest in the share when that is at lower circuit, you makes a double profit rather than just getting dividend or getting split up the shares. Okay, so it is your choice when you wanted to invest into the shares. We are not forcing anybody. You can invest anytime because it's your money. You have a value for your money, and the choice is yours also. So FSN e-commerce venture limited also show right now the trend which has completed our both the target. For that purpose you should check out our previous video, which is we have mentioned in the description. Dear viewers, if you see, Vijaya Diagnostic also achieved 510.85 INR on 20th December 2021. If you see, the share has 10 rupees, means we have given a minimum target 500 rupees, but this share has have a 10 rupees discrepancy. Yes, investor, there are many times it happens that we can give it to 10 rupees maximum. In this whole video I have given 12 rupees maximum discrepancy, excluding Paytm, because Paytm is what somewhere trending in another way. So excluding that, probably that only company we have given 81 rupees advance. The share target completed task, because we expect the share will be performed very soonly. Dear viewers, this is our another one of the market leader, where AMI Organics. In this share, we, if you see, we have achieved both the target, that is somewhere 1100 and 1394. So there is a discrepancy. You can check out in the descriptions. Yes, it has 1400 somewhere. No, it's not 1400. Actually, it is November target. We have achieved it for AMI Organic. So you can check out. If somewhere we are wrong, just comment it to the comment box. Nowadays we are doing some sort of mistake because we are not getting a time to upload the video. We are getting a lot of issues over here. Meant to say that making is concentrating was the issue, we can say. But no, we have completed the target. If you checked it out, for AMI Organic we have to cross check once again. So if we are wrong, just comment in the comment box. But according to us, this has completed both the target, I think so. So you can check and let us know. Dear viewers, if you see, Rolex rings is one of the leader of the market of 2021 when they got listed. If you see, in the month of December, they have achieved the lower end target which is given by us, Vridhi Finance. And in case of Rolex rings, we have achieved 1300 somewhere above. So 1349.30. Probably 1 rupees is less, 1350. So you can cross check over that. Rolex rings limited also achieved both the target from 22nd November till Jan 31st 2022. Dear viewers, if you see Craftsman or Automation Limited, in that case we have achieved minimum target 2112. Yeah, this is 12 rupees gap is there in the biggest gap with the Craftsman only. So you can see in this also we have achieved the target over here on the 20th December 2021. Most of the time we have seen 21st or 20th December 2021 has minimum achievement of the target day. That day probably the market has opened up with the falling down. Guys, guess what? Anupam Rasayan has achieved upper 8 circuit on the 3rd Jan. You can see the share has really given a good amount of returns to their investors. Okay, so if you see, this company has really achieved the target which is given by us. It is 1050 somewhere, but this company has achieved 1061 or 1000 was our target. And for Anupam Rasai, it has been achieved on 3rd Jan. So you can cross check our previous video which we have given the description link, and you will know it. This is achieving the highest target of this share Anupam Rasai India Limited. Dear viewers, if you think that our voice is quite breaking and all, so we will tell you this is a midnight, and that's the reason our voice is very low over here. Anyways, Home First Finance Company India Limited. In that case, we have achieved around 900 below, means somewhere. It's not 900, actually we have considered it 800 was our minimum maximum target. 850. Here is 1 rupees cut to cut, we have achieved it. 851.10 INR on 14 December was maximum target given by us to Home First Finance Company Limited. So in that case, today we have did every analysis, and we have analyzed that Home First Finance already achieved this target. You can find in description link where we have mentioned the target detail video for this main board stocks. Thank you by Vridhi Finance. Good night. Early in the morning, it's 3 a.m. right now in India. I hope you like it. Our video in the mid of the winter. It's not winter. It is the coldest year of the India. We can say 2022 is some very cold for the city, main tier 1 cities, tier 2 cities, and tier 3 cities. You can check out today's temperature going down, and the shares also goes down. That's not a joke. The reality and the factor, the both are same. The shares also, many shares are at the down performing at lower circuit, and the temperature of the cities is also going down. Many cities have shown below the 10 degrees today, tonight, and we are making hot platform over here about to share market. So wait and watch by Vridhi Finance. Good night, sweet dream. Bye bye.